Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, in today's video we'll be talking about another uh wonderful airdrop. As you know, cex.io. Alright, airdrop. Alright, you know about this airdrop already. Maybe you have been farming this airdrop already. Maybe you've not started farming the airdrop. Well, the link is in the description of this video. So before we dive into this video, I'll be showing you the secret on how to upgrade your level and also increase your profit per hour. All right, so this strategy is very unique. I don't think a lot of people know about this. All right, so this is wonderful to stay to the end of this video and see how we're going to increase our profit per hour, then increase our level as well. All right, so without further ado, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. All right, so especially for my current subscribers, I really appreciate you guys and I love you all. Okay, now for those of you who watch my video for the first time and then hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, you guys are the best. May God bless you. All right, may God bless you and bless you and bless you. All right, in all your doings, may the good Lord support you as well. All right, so now there's something some people don't know about this ces.io. All right, now what we are going to be allocated, all right, what we are going to be getting for the from this airdrop is this. I mean, sorry, not that. Sorry, is this guy. This is what we are getting. All right, this is our crypto balance. All right, this is the coin we are using to buy this guy. All right, now for you to upgrade your level, you need this guy. All right, and you also need this same guy to increase your profit per hour. All right, to increase your profit per hour, then this amount here will also be increasing, because as you are buying the profit per hour, they are adding the amount to this cexp. All right, now maybe you don't have a lot of referrals, you don't have a lot of space to complete some tasks to earn more of this coin. All right, more of this coin. All right, so and it's slowing you down based on your level. This slowing your levels down is slowing the amount of mining power you can have. All right, so what do you do now? When you see this button here, that says convert. All right, so when you click on that button, you'll see that you have the option to convert either one of these two coins. So if you convert the upper one, which is carrying the BTC logo, if you convert that, you notice that the amount is 62,630 amount, 30,000 of the token against the other token that is carrying the symbol of BTC. All right, so if you hit here now and then you put, let's say 1, you see that you'll be converting one of your amount in your balance here. Just one from your balance here will be equals to, just one from your balance here will be equals to this amount. Are you getting it? So the same thing goes to the other side, vice versa. You can also swap the coin. Are you getting it? Now, if you are now finding it difficult to increase your level, because when you come to this place, you discover that for each level you need some amount to increase your level. Now for level, I was in level 4 before, silver, and it was hard for me to get to 1 million, get the 1 million coin, and then upgrade to the gold miner. Are you getting it? So something came to me. I said, let me really do what is here. Let me really see. So in your presence now, I'll be converting some amount of the token to 2 million so that we'll be able to migrate to this platinum miner. All right. So together we'll do it. Okay. So now I have 1 million because I already converted before. All right. I have 1 million of the coin already. Are you getting it? I have 1 million of the coin already, and I've already upgraded to gold miner. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to convert extra amount of my balance here to be able to get to 2 million. Then I will then use the 2 million to rebuy profit per hour again, miner per hour again. Yes, then in return, it then increase the amount that this my farm will be mining for me while I'm out of this app. Okay, so let's do that now. When you come to convert, I think 16 of these will give us 1 million. Okay, so I want to convert again. I hit convert. Congratulations, you see I just landed in platinum miner already. So when we go to our balance, we'll discover that my balance is now 2 million. All right, my balance is now 2 million. My BTC balance is now this amount, and then my level has increased to platinum miner. All right, so what do we do now? From here we start buying profit per hour. All right, to increase our miner. Where do we get that from? We come to mine here. You come to mine here and start buying them. All right, you can imagine how many, you can keep buying. You upgrade, you just keep upgrading them. Okay, you keep upgrading them until you probably you exhaust the miner. Okay, you exhaust them, or you just maybe you spend the 1 million, because one thing I like doing with all this, I like doing 70-30. So whatever return I get from my miner, then I'll spend like 70 or 50 for buying profit per hour. I leave the rest. That's how I do my own miner. So I'll just keep buying, all right, to increase my profit per hour. Okay, so that I will be doing immediately I drop this video. So far, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. All right, until our next video, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.